students! How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. If you are a wild bird lover, then you must be familiar with the bird emu. They are large flightless birds native to Australia. It is the second tallest bird in the world after its relative, the ostrich. They grow approximately 6 feet tall. They have grey-brown plumage of shaggy appearance and the tips of feathers are black. They have long necks, long legs and their forward kicks are incredibly powerful. They have sharp eyesight and hearing senses and are the only birds to have calf muscles. They are fast runners, high jumpers and strong swimmers. The nest is placed on open areas or near the shrubs or rocks where the emu can have the clear view of its surroundings. Male emu creates the nest and the female emu lays dark green thick shell eggs. They are omnivorous birds, so eat both plants and animals like grass, grains, worms, insects, vegetables and fruits. They can survive for about 20 to 30 years. Now let's begin today's rhyme. So let's get started. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So itsy bitsy spider climbed the spout again. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So itsy bitsy spider climbed the spout again. Let's sing it again. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So itsy bitsy spider climbed the spout again. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So itsy bitsy spider climbed the spout again. If you like my today's rhyme, then hit like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, hit subscribe button too. Okay, bye.